Look at King Street, where things are slowly returning to normal on at least one major stretch of town. And you can still see a lot of that good amount of gravel and sediment that washed along the sideways. There's still what was there from just a few days ago. Let's get right over to Chief Meteorologist Tara Lane. Fortunately, we do have a few dry days ahead.
Mostly dry, yes, Brian. It's nice to see some of that blue sky, too, at the top of the screen, looking live there along that stretch of King Street. And we are actually dry right now as we look up there compared to yesterday in the higher elevations when we still had some pretty decent pockets of rain that were falling there in the high country. We do have a couple of just little tiny isolated showers here, not much, over sections of northern Alexander County. A little bit of rain passing over Taylorsville right now and east of Cedar Rock in that part of eastern Caldwell County. And we've been here today still generally under the influence of the spinning upper level area of low pressure and some of that remnant tropical moisture from Helene. But finally, it's starting to kind of lose its grip over the area. Still, that in combination with an approaching front into tomorrow could still spark a couple of spotty, stray, mainly light showers, even again into tomorrow afternoon. But most of us will stay nice and dry and warm, too. Right now, we've got a warm 83 degrees in the Queen City. Light and variable wind and dew points are still a little bit sticky outside in terms of how the air mass feels in the mid 60s with the relative humidity at 55%. We have a few slightly cooler spots in that. Salisbury 79. That number's matched in Wadesboro, Sherrod, Lancaster also at 79 degrees. Got upper 70s in Morganton and the cooler upper 60s and lower 70s, but a little bit of a boost from yesterday, just a touch warmer with the help of that extra sunshine and the lack of any real good rain out there. But we could again have some patchy fog development late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So watching for that, especially for the rescue and recovery and cleanup efforts up there in the mountains. So that could kind of delay things just a little bit again. Temperatures backing off, though, outside of the mountains into the mid 60s will settle into the upper 50s, mid and upper 50s in the higher elevations. Now tomorrow on the surface map, I mentioned that approaching front. So that could still spark off a couple little tiny showers. The better chance of rain will stay more to our north. And then as we look ahead to the latter part of the week, another front coming in will actually draw in some cooler and more fall feeling air, but at the same time, still some scattered showers or maybe an isolated storm. So tomorrow we warm back up to 82, small chance of rain, light north-northwest wind. Let's check out future radar through 2 o'clock in the morning. Again, just a hit or miss light shower possible. A lot of clouds filling back in along with some patchy fog. And again, there's that minor rain chance into tomorrow once again as well. So low rain chances. Gets a little bit of a boost there for Friday with that next front. So a couple more spotty showers and storms will be possible. And then by this time next week, that's when we start to feel a little more refreshing, more like fall outside and early October with some cooler temps.